What up, Tube? Today is Monday, April 16th, 2018. Headed to the shop right now. I just went by Mickey D's, picked up some breakfast for myself and J-Lo. Today's just gonna be me and her working together, so I don't expect it to be too busy today. There's no holiday or nothing going on, but for two of us, it should be plentiful. You know, guys, today I kind of want to keep it on a more of a positive note. So today I kind of want to talk about why I love being a barber and why I think it's a perfect job for me. You know, and if you guys saw the story of how I became a barber and how I got my shop, you could refer back to vlog. I think it's 64 or 63 or something like that. But you know, guys, when I first got into this job, you know, this is good for you young barbers. If you guys are, you know, second guessing yourselves about this industry and about being in this kind of job, you know, when I first got into this job, I wasn't too sure about it, and even though I am a third generation barber and it runs in my family, and I know it's in my blood, it runs in my blood. I know for a fact. I can see it in myself and my daughter. But even then, at that time, I didn't know that this is a profession that I wanted to do, you know. It grew on me sick, you know. To me now, it's a passion. It's a passion that burns inside of me, you know. But it wasn't always like that, you know. And, you know, that's why I'm telling you guys, give your guys yourself a chance, you know. Because this is something that it's kind of like I don't want to say I'm an artist, but it's kind of an art form, you know, and I believe that, and you know, not everybody's creative, and not everybody has the skills to do stuff like this, but it is something that can be taught if trained properly, you know. Watch a lot of videos, you know. But so today, guys, I'm gonna go inside now. So today, let's talk about why I love being a barber, and you know, let's interact, guys. I want you guys to leave some comments. Let me know why you love being a barber. For one thing, I love the flexibility. We'll get back to this in a little bit, okay? Sure, it's not funny. One of the fun things, one of the cons of being a barber is that you never get weekends off. Never, ever do you get weekends off. At least I don't. I mean, I don't want to say never, but it's rare, you know. If I get the weekend off, it's because I'm going somewhere. I'm going on a trip. Going to Laughlin or something like that. But do I ever take it off for holidays or for, you know, for birthday parties and stuff? No, I never do. If there's a birthday party, I show up after I get out of work. You know, it's just the way it is, you know. If it's my own birthday party or a birthday party that I'm throwing, I still show up till after. You know, I don't miss work for stuff like that. I don't take days off for birthday celebrations, you know. It's just it's not right. You know, it's a business. You gotta treat it like a business, and you always gotta be here. Sometimes you gotta make sacrifices. It is what it is. me, one of the favorite things of being a barber is the best thing is interacting with the people. I mean, you just build friendships, and like I got customers that start off as customers that are good friends now. You're just interacting with people, kids, watching kids grow up. I mean, I seen little kids come in at my shop. My shop's been open for 9 years, so I mean, I've seen kids come in from being their first haircut to they're 9 years old now, you know, or they were in grade school and now they're bringing their kids in, you know. It's crazy, and it's evolving, getting bigger and bigger, and more people, and it's like you're building a relationship with the community, and everybody knows my shop in my community, you know. It's like one of my friends told me, like, the other day he moved to Texas, and he calls me to let me know that he's coming in for a haircut, and you know, and everybody says, yeah, when I come to Azusa, I'm gonna get a haircut too, and you know, it's cool. I love it, man. I love that's to me, that's the best part, is that you become a part of the community, and everybody accepts you as part of the community, and you know, and it's a place where men come and congregate together, and it's awesome, you know. Men, it's awesome. It's just, I love it. I love the idea. I love the whole thing. I love the barber life, the image, the whole, you know, I rock it, man. I do live the barber life. That's just me, you know. And you know, you have to have that passion in you. And when you have that passion drives you, keeps you awake sometimes, and it makes you wake up in the morning to get here early and get to work. And that's something that you guys got to work on, and get that feeling inside of you, you know what I mean? Love what you do, and you'll never work a day in your life. You know, I love coming here. I love coming to my shop. J-Lo, why do you love being a barber?
Because I love working with you on Mondays, and where else can I make $230 on a Monday? That's why.
There it is. That's why she loves being a barber. Pretty good reason, I think. Monday. Alright, guys, that's it for this week. It's Monday, closing time, shop's clean, week's over. Tomorrow is my day off. I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow, but you know how I am. Sometimes I vlog on my days off, and sometimes I don't. But you know, guys, I kind of want to go over what we talked about this whole week, you know, all the different vlogs, and about the 10 things that require zero talent. Come on, guys, look at that vlog. That vlog makes a lot of sense. 10 things that require zero talent. I'm not talking about cutting hair, because cutting hair requires a little bit of zero talent. It requires a little bit of talent. But 10 things that require zero talent. First one, getting up early. You know what I mean? Having a strong work ethic. You know what I mean? Those are some of the ones that come just bounce off of my head. Like, you want to be a badass barber? Guess what? Get your ass up early. That's the first step. You wanna sit at home and chill all day with your feet up watching TV? Then keep doing what you're doing. You know what I mean? But yeah, you want to be a badass barber? Then you need to get your ass up early, and you need to get to work. And you need to do what needs to be done. You know, that's the first step. That's before even cutting hair. If you're not going to have a strong work ethic, and you're not going to get here on time, then how are you going to be a good barber? Like, that's the first step. You know, impress somebody. Impress your owner first before you could impress your customers. You know what I mean? Like, come on, guys. It's common sense. You know, we talked about some of that. 0 things that require zero talent. You know what I mean? Get some passion, dude. Like, you know, that's what it is. This is what it takes. Some of the other things we talked about this week, you know, one of the other things we talked about was not being a hater. Come on, guys. There's no need to be a hater in this business. There's enough heads to go around for everybody. I don't need to hate on my next guy or the neighbor down the street from me. No, there's enough heads for everybody. People are going to come back to you for one reason and one reason only. If you provide good customer service and you provide a good skill and good haircuts. You know what I mean? Like, provide a good haircut. Provide a good haircut, good attitude, and I guarantee you, you'll have customers knocking on your door. Like, it's plain and simple, guys. You know what, guys? That's it for this week, guys. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you interact. I love interaction, guys. Leave me some comments. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. We're at 140 subscribers right now. We're climbing. Remember, I have a GTX scalatorized trimmer that I am going to give away for free. For free, guys. It's for free. I got to get to 300 subscribers. That means you guys got to get me out there. You got to make sure that somebody's listening to this stuff. I'm not doing this for nothing. So, you know what I mean? Get out there. Let them know. Let people know. Let them know. Like, comment on this stuff right here, guys. When you comment, people read your comments. And guess what? I get more subscribers. Give me those 300 and I'm going to give away that GTX. This week, I'm going to go buy myself some another couple machines that I've been needing. I got 2 cordless seniors, the black ones, on pre-order from Atlanta Barbers, but they haven't got back to me. They've been on pre-order since, I was supposed to get them since March 15th. I haven't gotten them. So I think I'm going to buy me a corded one this week, and I'm going to do a review on it because you know what, guys? The Wahl Black Senior is the best fading machine. I said it here. Black Wahl. You guys got to get that machine. That machine is bad. That machine is bad. So I'm going to be doing a review on that machine too. Also, just to put you guys up on game. With that being said, guys, that's it for this week. Thank you again for watching. We're climbing up there, guys. I need some more subscribers. Get on there. So leave me some comments. Let me know what's up. I'll get back with you guys on Thursday. Unless I vlog on my days off. We'll see. We'll see what happens. See what I do. Lates.